Hey everybody, it's Jayneesa. So for this tutorial, I'm using the Cantu moisturizer and coconut oil, and I'm also going to be using this Argan oil edge control. When you're doing faux locks, you should put your hair into medium or small size sections, and then here I'm using that edge control to lay down my edges. If you don't have edge control, gel will work as well. Here I'm taking a rat tail comb and I'm just combing out the edge control to make it smooth. And here I'm using a wide tooth comb just to comb out my hair. Here I'm using a rubber band before I braid my hair. You do not have to use a rubber band, this is optional. And right here I'm just going to be braiding my hair all the way down. And this is what it should look like when you're done braiding all of your hair. And for my locks, I'm using a combination of golden brown goddess locks, and I'm also going to be using regular faux locks. So the first thing you want to do is open the loop that comes on your lock and stick your crochet needle right through. After that, you're just going to stick your crochet needle right underneath your braid and then grab the lock with your other hand and then pull the crochet needle right out. When you pull that crochet needle out, what you're going to do is pull the faux lock a little bit out, and then you're going to open the loop a little bit more, and then you're going to put your faux lock and your braid in that loop and then tighten it just like this. The next thing you're going to do is unravel the lock the opposite way that it came. Once you unravel your lock, you do not have to unravel it the entire way, probably like a halfway or a quarter way. You're going to wrap it around your braid the original way that it came. Once you get to the end of your braid, just stick your braid right in the middle of the lock and then just continue the twist. And this is what it should look like when it's all done, so I'm going to show you guys one more time. Just stick your crochet needle right underneath your braid and use your opposite hand to grab the lock and then pull the crochet needle right out. And you're going to pull the lock a little bit out, open the loop, and then you're going to stick your braid and your lock right through that loop and then tighten. Right here, I'm unraveling the lock and then I'm twisting it around my braid the way that it comes. Sometimes after you get done twisting your lock around your braid, it'll come right loose. What you're going to do after that is just take your braid and you can wrap it around the lock, or you can just take it out and try again, but sometimes that does happen with these faux locks. Once you unravel them, it's kind of hard for it to ravel back the way that it came. Also, there wasn't any difference using the wraparound method using goddess locks versus regular locks. And this is what it should look like when it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. Everything will be down below. Also, if you have any suggestions on any future videos you would like me to do next, regardless if that's hair or makeup, make sure you leave that in the comment section below. And until next time, bye guys.